Good morning. Please introduce yourself and explain why you are applying for the fourth engineer position on our tanker vessel.
Good morning, sir. My name is Zero. I am a licensed marine engineer with hands-on experience in auxiliary machinery and shipboard systems. I am applying for the fourth engineer position because I want to contribute to safe and efficient tanker operations, gain deeper knowledge of cargo-related machinery, and grow step by step in my engineering career.
What are the main duties of a fourth engineer on a tanker?
As a fourth engineer, I am responsible for operating and maintaining auxiliary machinery such as generators, purifiers, compressors, and pumps. I assist in bunkering operations, daily engine room checks, and planned maintenance. I also support senior engineers in troubleshooting and strictly follow safety procedures.
Why did you choose to work on tanker vessels?
Tankers carry hazardous cargo, which requires strict discipline and technical expertise. I want to gain more experience in handling cargo-related systems, purifiers, and safety procedures while contributing to safe voyages.
How do you prepare yourself before joining a tanker vessel?
I review company manuals, ISM code, and tanker-specific safety procedures. I refresh my knowledge of cargo pumps, purifiers, and emergency drills. I also ensure my certificates are valid and up to date.
What motivates you to work in the engine room?
I enjoy solving technical problems, maintaining machinery, and ensuring smooth operations. The engine room is the heart of the ship, and being part of it gives me pride and responsibility.
How do you handle stress during long voyages?
I stay disciplined, follow routines, and maintain teamwork. I also focus on safety and proper communication, which helps reduce stress during challenging operations.
Explain how you operate and maintain a purifier.
I check the purifier bowl, ensure proper sealing, and monitor inlet temperature and pressure. I operate according to manual, maintain lubrication, and clean sludge regularly. I also monitor alarms and report abnormalities to the third engineer.
What is your role during bunkering operations?
I assist in preparing tanks, checking valves, and monitoring fuel transfer. I record readings, ensure no leakage, and follow safety procedures such as fire watch and communication with deck officers.
How do you handle a generator failure during voyage?
I immediately inform the third engineer or chief engineer, check fuel supply, cooling water, and electrical connections. I help in troubleshooting and prepare standby generator to avoid blackout.
What is the importance of maintaining boiler water quality?
Proper boiler water quality prevents scaling, corrosion, and overheating. I regularly test water samples, add treatment chemicals, and record results to ensure safe boiler operation.
How do you maintain an air compressor?
I check lubrication, cooling water, and filters. I clean air intake, monitor pressure, and ensure safety valves are functional. I also record running hours for planned maintenance.
What is your role in maintaining cargo pumps?
I assist in checking seals, bearings, and lubrication. I monitor pump performance, record parameters, and report abnormalities. I also ensure safety procedures are followed during cargo operations.
How do you prepare for dry dock as a fourth engineer?
I assist in preparing machinery lists, cleaning equipment, and recording maintenance requirements. I also support senior engineers and inspections and ensure spare parts are ready.
What is the importance of PMS, Plant Maintenance System?
PMS ensures machinery is maintained regularly and prevents breakdowns. It helps in scheduling tasks, recording history, and complying with company and class requirements.
How do you check safety devices like emergency generator or fire pump?
I test alarms, check fuel and lubrication, and run equipment under supervision. I record results and report any abnormalities immediately.
What is your role in maintaining bilge pumps?
I check suction strainers, monitor pump performance, and ensure valves are functional. I also assist in cleaning and recording bilge operations.
What documents are important for PSC inspection in the engine room?
PSC inspectors check oil record book, engine logbook, maintenance records, MARPOL compliance, and safety equipment. I ensure machinery is clean, alarms are functional, and records are updated.
How do you contribute to safety culture on board?
I always wear a PPE, follow permit to work procedures, and respect ISM code. I maintain discipline in engine room, report hazards, and cooperate with multinational crew.
What is your role in enclosed space entry procedures?
I assist in preparing ventilation, checking oxygen levels, and monitoring communication. I ensure proper permits are signed and standby personnel are present.
How do you handle oil spills in the engine room?
I immediately report to senior engineers, stop leakage, and use absorbent materials. I follow SOPEP procedures and record incident in oil record book.
What is your role during emergency drills?
I participate actively, follow instructions, and ensure machinery is ready. I also help in testing emergency generator, fire pump, and communication systems.
How does a fourth engineer support cargo operations on a tanker?
I ensure auxiliary machinery like generators, pumps, and cooling systems are running properly. I check cargo pump performance and assist in maintaining equipment that supports cargo handling.
What is your role in monitoring cargo pump performance?
I record parameters, check seals and bearings, and report abnormalities. I also assist in lubrication and cleaning.
How do you support cargo heating operations?
I monitor boiler performance, check heating coils, and record temperatures. I ensure safe operation and report any abnormalities.
What is your role in monitoring inert gas system?
I assist in checking blowers, scrubbers, and valves. I record parameters and report abnormalities to senior engineers.
How do you ensure reefer cargo integrity on a tanker?
I checked electrical supply, monitor temperature alarms, and report malfunctions. I coordinate with deck officers to ensure cargo integrity.
How do you work with multinational crew in the engine room?
I respect cultural differences, use clear English communication, and focus on teamwork. Cooperation and discipline are key to safe operations.
How do you handle conflicts in the engine room?
I stay calm, listen carefully, and focus on solving problems. I respect hierarchy and report serious issues to senior engineers.
How do you balance work and rest on board?
I follow watch schedules, take proper rest, and maintain fitness. I also avoid fatigue by planning tasks carefully.
Explain the function of a purifier in detail.
A purifier is used to separate water and solid impurities from fuel oil or lubricating oil. It works on the principle of centrifugal force, where heavier particles in water move outward while clean oil remains in the center. As a fourth engineer, I ensure the correct operating temperature, monitor bowl sealing, and check sludge discharge. Regular cleaning and maintenance are essential to prevent contamination of the main engine fuel system, which could cause serious damage or loss of efficiency.
How do you maintain emergency generator readiness?
The emergency generator must always be ready to supply power during blackout situations. I check fuel levels, lubrication, and battery condition. Weekly testing is conducted to ensure automatic start capability. I also inspect cooling systems, safety devices, and record parameters. Any abnormality is reported immediately to senior engineers because this equipment is critical for ship safety and compliance with SOLAS regulations.
What is your role in MARPOL compliance?
My role is to strictly follow MARPOL Annex I regulations regarding oil pollution prevention. I ensure proper entries in the oil record book, monitor bilge operations, and avoid illegal discharge. I assist in maintaining oily water separators, check alarms, and ensure discharge valves are sealed. Compliance protects the environment and avoids heavy penalties during inspections.
How do you prepare for class survey?
I assist in cleaning machinery, preparing maintenance records, and ensuring safety devices are functional. I help senior engineers in presenting logbooks, PM's records, and certificates. I also ensure that equipment like purifiers, pumps, and generators are in good condition. Proper preparation shows professionalism and ensures smooth certification.
Explain the procedure if bilge pump fails.
If the bilge pump fails, I immediately inform senior engineers and switch to standby pump if available. I check suction strainers, valves, and electrical connections. If the failure is mechanical, I assist in repairs. Meanwhile, I ensure bilge levels are monitored manually to prevent flooding. Safety and quick response are critical in such situations.
How do you maintain refrigeration system?
I check compressor lubrication, cooling water, and refrigerant levels. I monitor pressures and temperatures, clean filters, and ensure safety valves are functional. I also record parameters in the logbook. Proper maintenance ensures food and provisions are preserved during long voyages, which is vital for crew welfare.
What is your role in ballast operations?
I assist in monitoring ballast pumps, checking valves, and ensuring proper operation. I record parameters and report abnormalities. I also ensure compliance with Ballast Water Management Convention to prevent marine pollution. Coordination with deck officers is important during ballast operations.
How do you check safety valves on boiler?
Safety valves are tested periodically to ensure they lift at the correct pressure. I assist in preparing the boiler, increasing pressure gradually, and observing valve lift. I record results and report to senior engineers. Proper functioning of safety valves prevents dangerous overpressure situations.
Explain the importance of lubrication system.
Lubrication reduces friction, prevents wear, and removes heat from machinery. It also protects against corrosion and contamination. As a fourth engineer, I monitor oil levels, check filters, and ensure pumps are working properly. I also assist in oil analysis to detect early signs of machinery problems.
How do you handle machinery alarms?
I respond immediately, identify the source, and inform senior engineers. I check parameters such as temperature, pressure, and lubrication. If necessary, I assist in emergency shutdown. Recording alarms and corrective actions is important for future reference and compliance.
What is your role in maintaining sewage treatment plant?
I check pumps, aerators, and filters. I monitor chemical dosing and ensure discharge meets MARPOL Annex 4 standards. I record operations and report abnormalities. Proper maintenance prevents pollution and ensures crew hygiene.
How do you prepare for bunkering checklist?
I assist in checking tanks, valves, and pipelines. I ensure communication systems are ready. Firefighting equipment is prepared and spill kits are available. I record readings and monitor transfer operations. Following checklist ensures safe and compliant bunkering.
Explain the importance of communication in engine room.
Clear communication prevents accidents and ensures smooth operations. I use standard English, respect hierarchy, and confirm instructions. During emergencies, communication is critical to coordinate actions quickly.
How do you maintain fresh water generator?
I check vacuum system, cooling water, and salinity levels. I clean filters, monitor temperature, and record parameters. Proper maintenance ensures continuous supply of fresh water for crew and machinery.
What is your role in maintaining steering gear?
I assist in checking hydraulic pumps, oil levels, and filters. I test emergency steering systems and record results. Proper maintenance ensures safe navigation and compliance with SOLAS.
How do you prepare for emergency shutdown?
I familiarize myself with emergency shutdown procedures, locations of switches, and communication protocols. I assist in drills and ensure machinery is ready for safe shutdown. Quick response prevents accidents and damage.
How do you maintain hydraulic systems?
I check oil levels, filters, and pumps. I monitor pressure, clean strainers, and record parameters. Proper maintenance prevents leakage and ensures reliable operation of steering gear and cargo systems.
What is your role in maintaining incinerator?
I assist in checking burners, fuel supply, and safety devices. I monitor combustion temperature and record operations. Proper use of incinerator ensures safe disposal of waste in compliance with MARPOL Annex V.
Thank you for answering all of our questions. Before we conclude, do you have any final statement or message you would like to share with us regarding your application for the fourth engineer position?
Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to present myself today. I believe that my technical knowledge, hands-on experience with auxiliary machinery, and strong commitment to safety make me a suitable candidate for the fourth engineer role on your tanker vessel. I understand the importance of discipline, teamwork, and compliance with international regulations, especially on a tanker where safety is paramount. My long-term goal is to grow within your company, step by step, and eventually take on greater responsibilities. I am confident that with dedication and hard work, I can add value to your team and support safe and successful voyages.